In this video, I'm going to reveal the best ways of drying your car without causing scratches to your paintwork. And I'll also be sharing why I use certain methods in my everyday business and how they can help you work quicker and safer. In at number 1, it's the dragging and patting process. And for this method, I use a twisted loop drying towel, because it can absorb more water than most types of other towels out there. Now, many of these twisted loop towels that you find on the market are generally pretty big, so I mainly use it on the roof, windscreen and bonnet. When using this dragging method on the side, it can be quite difficult because it holds so much water and it does become quite heavy. So my best advice for you, if you're only going to stick with twisted loop towels, is to go for some smaller ones instead, because they'll still be able to help you get around the car quicker, but they will be able to hold a lot of water as well. For number 2, I like to take standard microfiber towels and fold them over, because doing this reduces the pressure between your hand and the surface of the paint. So it will greatly reduce the risk of scratching. One thing I would say is always stock up with plenty of towels, just in case you end up dropping one. And I always select a certain towel for a certain job, and I have some for the glass, some for the lower third, and some for the door shuts. In at number 3, I like to use a car dryer. Now, these machines come in all shapes and sizes, and they do have many other uses other than just drying cars. But I never use this on the entire vehicle. The problem with the car dryer is it would take you such a long time to get the vehicle dry. The core purpose is to contribute to a scratch-free finish. But for regular maintenance cleans, this is not something I can honestly recommend for the whole car, because you're going to end up losing too much money from spending too much time. It's just not worth it. So the key areas I mainly use a car dryer on is all the little nooks and crannies, the crevices, the wheels and the door shuts, because if you don't remove the water in the grills or the badges, you'll soon find a build-up of hard water. And that's what makes up those horrible marks that you find around the car emblems. Now, there is a quick and easy solution to fix these marks, and I have made a dedicated video which you can go and watch right here.